Missing mortgage payments can quickly lead to late fees, damage to your credit, or even foreclosure if the situation is not addressed promptly. Many homeowners wait too long before contacting their lender, only to discover that fewer assistance options are available. If you are experiencing financial difficulties because of job loss, reduced income, illness, divorce, unexpected expenses, or another hardship, it is important to communicate honestly and provide supporting documentation. A clear and professional mortgage hardship letter helps your lender understand your circumstances and may improve your chances of qualifying for a loan modification, forbearance, repayment plan, or another form of mortgage assistance. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact information. This section identifies who is requesting assistance and provides your lender with the information needed to locate your mortgage account and contact you throughout the review process. Make sure the property address matches the address associated with your mortgage loan. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, July 28, 2026. The date establishes when your hardship request was submitted and helps create an official timeline for your application. Many lenders review requests based on when they are received, so submitting your letter promptly is important. Recipient information. Next, write the lender's information. For example, Loss Mitigation Department, Evergreen Home Mortgage, 1200 Financial Plaza, Dallas, Texas 75201. United States. This directs your request to the department responsible for reviewing hardship applications and loan assistance requests. Sending your letter to the correct department helps prevent unnecessary delays. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, Subject: Mortgage Hardship Request for Loan Assistance. The subject immediately tells the lender why you are writing and allows your request to be identified quickly. A clear subject line also helps ensure your letter is routed to the appropriate team for review. Salutation: address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Sir or Madam, using a formal greeting establishes a respectful tone and demonstrates professionalism from the beginning of your letter. Opening paragraph. Now explain why you are writing. For example, I am writing to explain my current financial hardship and respectfully request assistance with my mortgage loan for the property located at 1845 Cedar Ridge Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina 28210. My family and I have worked hard to remain current on our mortgage payments, but due to circumstances beyond our control, I am requesting your consideration for available mortgage assistance options. This opening paragraph immediately explains the purpose of your letter and identifies the property involved. Clearly state that you are requesting mortgage assistance and briefly explain why you are contacting the lender. Beginning with a respectful and honest explanation helps the lender understand your situation from the very start and sets a cooperative tone for the remainder of your request. Remember that your goal is not to make excuses, but to explain your circumstances honestly while demonstrating that you are committed to resolving the situation. Hardship explanation paragraph. Next, explain the financial hardship that caused your payment difficulties. For example, due to the unexpected loss of my full-time employment in May 2026, I have experienced significant financial difficulties that have affected my ability to make my mortgage payments as originally agreed. My household income was reduced substantially, making it difficult to keep up with monthly expenses while continuing to make full mortgage payments. Although I have prioritized my housing obligations, my financial resources have become increasingly limited. This paragraph provides the lender with the reason you are requesting assistance. Clearly explain the hardship, whether it involves unemployment, reduced income, illness, injury, divorce, unexpected medical expenses, or another significant financial event. Include only truthful information and explain how the hardship has affected your ability to make your mortgage payments. Avoid exaggerating your circumstances. A factual explanation supported by documentation is much more persuasive than an emotional one. Current financial situation paragraph. Now explain what you have done to manage your financial obligations. For example, although I have made every effort to manage my financial obligations, my current circumstances have made it difficult to remain current on my mortgage payments. I have reduced unnecessary household expenses, applied for several full-time positions, and recently began working with a financial counselor to improve my budget. I remain committed to keeping my home and meeting my financial responsibilities as my financial situation improves. This paragraph demonstrates that you are making a genuine effort to overcome your financial difficulties rather than simply asking for assistance. Lenders appreciate borrowers who take responsibility and actively work toward improving their financial situation. Explaining the positive steps you have already taken shows your commitment to resolving the problem. Mention realistic actions that you have actually taken, since the lender may request documentation to support your statements. Assistance request paragraph. Next, explain what type of assistance you are requesting. For example, I respectfully request that you consider my account for available mortgage assistance programs, including a loan modification, temporary payment reduction, repayment plan, forbearance, or any other relief option for which I may qualify. I believe that one of these solutions would allow me to regain financial stability while continuing to meet my mortgage obligations and avoid falling further behind on my payments. This paragraph clearly states what you are asking the lender to consider. You do not have to request only one option if you are unsure which program best fits your situation. Expressing your willingness to work with the lender demonstrates flexibility and increases the likelihood of finding an appropriate solution. Showing that you are interested in a long-term resolution rather than temporary avoidance reflects positively on your request. Supporting documents. Paragraph. Now explain the documents you are including with your request. For example, to support my request, I have enclosed copies of my recent bank statements, unemployment benefit records, proof of income, tax returns, monthly budget, and documentation confirming my job separation. I am also willing to provide any additional information or supporting documentation that may assist with the review of my application. This paragraph reassures the lender that your hardship can be verified through official documentation. Supporting evidence is often one of the most important parts of a hardship application because it allows the lender to evaluate your financial circumstances objectively. Organizing your documents clearly can also help speed up the review process. Before submitting your letter, make sure every supporting document is current, complete, and consistent with the information provided in your hardship explanation. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for taking the time to consider my request. I sincerely appreciate your understanding and assistance during this difficult period. I look forward to working with you to find a solution that will allow me to retain my home and successfully fulfill my mortgage obligations. This closing paragraph expresses appreciation while reinforcing your willingness to cooperate throughout the review process. Ending your letter respectfully helps maintain a positive relationship with your lender and demonstrates that you are committed to finding a practical solution. A courteous conclusion often leaves a stronger impression than ending the letter with frustration or demands. Sincerely, now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely Jonathan Miller. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Signing your name confirms that the information provided in your hardship letter is accurate and reflects your genuine financial circumstances. Before submitting your mortgage hardship letter, carefully review every detail to ensure your explanation is truthful, your dates are accurate, and your supporting documents are complete. A strong hardship letter clearly explains the financial situation, demonstrates your willingness to resolve the problem, and provides the lender with the information needed to evaluate your request for mortgage assistance fairly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.